Hello, you guys. It is Paris from Itz Sirap. Okay. I want to talk to you guys about something. I was just live on my Itz Sirap Body and More page talking in detail about those products. But on this video, we're going to have a brief conversation. And I encourage you guys that are 18 years and older to go and like my Itz Sirap Body and More page. And I have messages coming up, y'all. That's why I'm looking like that. So if you're 18 years and older, I encourage you to go like that page. Look at the post and watch the long video that I posted over there. So this video is going to be short. And I just want to talk to you about a few things. If you know me, you know that I'm involved in a lot of different companies. We have Paparazzi, Mary Kay, Legging Girl, Maven, hair extensions. The list goes on, okay? So with this last company, it is called Lovewinx, and this is the last company. I feel like my company arsenal is complete. So with this company, we have essential oils, we have spa and relaxation products, and we also have romance products, which is where the 18-year plus policy comes into play. So on the Itz Sirap Body and More page, on that video, I showed you guys a lot of the products that I have on hand, and I talked about them a little bit in detail on that page. So make sure y'all go to the Itz Sirap Body and More page. Hey, Miss Shirley. So over here, I'm not going to get into any of that. I'm just going to touch the high points. Hey, y'all, come on in. Come on in. So I'm just going to hit the high points. And I encourage y'all to go over to my Itz Sirap Body and More page, so that y'all can watch that video for a little bit more in detail about the products and stuff like that. So one of the products we have is the essential oils. We have a separate catalog for the oils. So our oil collection is the Lovewinx Life. So in the catalog, you will get to see our concentrated oils. You'll get to see the skin safe oils, which means that they are already, diluted enough so you can just roll it straight onto your skin. And this is what the essential oils look like. So the essential oils are, those are going to be concentrated. So you can mix them with the carrier oil to make it skin safe. You can diffuse it in an in-home diffuser, a car diffuser, all of that. Hey, Miss Shirley. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So the oils are great. If you don't know about essential oils, basically each oil has a purpose. For example, I have this cedarwood oil here, and it helps fight infections and relieve stress. So if you carpooling with all the kids, the little kids get sick and stuff. Everybody like to get sick at the same time. So that might be something that you want to put in the car diffuser to, catch them on the ride home. You know what I'm saying? So we also have some signature blends, and one that I have here, this one is called More Love. So this is going to increase your energy. It's going to lift your mood. It's going to make you feel excited and all of that. So hey, Christy. Hey, Miss Cookie. So we have a lot of different oils that will help you combat different things that you may be going through. So that's great. We have the spa products. We have, you know, bubble bath, shower gel, bath bombs. We have massage products. We have products with pheromones in it, which is not necessarily going to have people like flocking to you how we think, but it is definitely going to make you be more confident. It's going to make you feel more liked. If you have a waitress job or something like that, it's going to increase your tips. Hey, Miss Scott. Hey, y'all. Come on in. Come on in. Make sure y'all go like my Itz Sirap Body and More page. On that page, you will get to see in the like the details about the products. On this page, I don't want to go into too many details. I want to keep that page for everybody to go over and look and read about the products. Like I said, we do have products that are only for people 18 and above, so I won't be showing you any of the bedroom products here on Facebook. But if that's what you're interested in, we do have that kind of stuff. And you can send me a message and I can send you the link to the catalog so you can see everything we have. But we have products for men and women of all ages. If you're going through menopause, all of that, we have products that will help with all of that. So if that's you and you want to talk about it, send me a message and we can definitely talk about some of the products that we have for you. Also, we do have massage products. So one of the products that I want to show y'all in this video, and like I said, make sure y'all go like the page and watch the long video. It was like an hour long, y'all. I didn't even want it to be that long, but that's just what happened. And I kind of went through the catalog on the video and showed you guys what's in the catalog as far as the spa products, the bath products, the massage products. I went through all of this over there. The Revive products, all of that. The products, like if you have a headache, a backache, knee pain, the stuff is going to take care of all of that. I showed y'all all of that. So in this video, I want to talk about this goodie right here. Now, I do understand that everybody is not into like the bedroom accessories. I get that everybody's not into that, and that's okay. We have products for people who just like to take a bath. Okay, if you just want to take a relaxing bubble bath, if you just want a nice foot scrub, you know, we have all of that too. So don't see the romance side and think, you know, oh my God, like, no, we have stuff for everybody. Okay, so if you just like essential oils, then just get essential oils. That's okay. If you want something that goes buzz in the night, I mean, we do have that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's why I'm not showing any of that, just in case we have some people who are under the age of 18 who may be watching. All right, so on to the demo. So this is the Hot Hard, and this is a reusable massage hot pad. Okay, so Of course, you can use it for the massaging, but I'm going to give y'all some other ways to use it, which is why I love this product. So this is how it comes, okay? And it's filled with like this little liquid in here. So I'm just going to open it up. And if you are someone who uses a heating pad, maybe like if you have cramps or something like that, or if you go camping and it's cold outside, if you're at a football game and it's cold outside, you know, it might not be a plug, it might not be, you know, somewhere where you can plug a heating pad up outside. So that's where this comes in handy. Hey y'all, come on in, come on in. So this is what it looks like. It has the little gel in here. All right. So can y'all see that little silver piece in there? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop this silver piece. All right. So I'm going to pop it. And I just realized my music was off. Let me pop it. Hold on, y'all. Trying to pop it. So basically what's going to happen when I finally get this to pop, a chemical reaction is going to happen. And there it is. So I hope y'all can see that. The chemical reaction is happening. And this is heating up. So you have a portable heating pad. So you can use this for massages. You can pair it with one of our, this is the massage oil. You can pair it with this to kind of warm it up. Or if you just need a portable heating pad, like it feels like really good. It feels amazing. So if you use a heating pad like for cramps, or if you're sitting at a desk and you like to put one behind you at your lower back, you can do this and you don't have to worry about trying to find an outlet to plug it into. So it's going to stay hot for about 45 minutes to an hour, which is great. All you have to do to make it go down is what you're going to do is boil it. Okay, so you're going to boil it for 10 minutes, and it has all of the instructions on here. Or of course you could call me and I'll tell you what to do. But you're going to boil it for 10 minutes, and then it's going to go back down to that liquid consistency so that you can store it. Hold on. So that you can store it away for the next time that you need to use it, okay? So this is the hot heart. You said, wow, Miss Shirley. Yes, it is so cool, and it's going to stay warm like this for a while. So it gets to about 129 degrees Fahrenheit, which is safe to the touch. It's not going to burn you up or nothing, so you don't have to worry about that. And it's going to stay hot for up to an hour. So that's the great thing about this. Okay, now we do have you can pair it with the Sweet Heat warming edible gel. So you can pair it with this, or you can pair it with the massage oil. We have massage lotions that you can pair it with, you know, all of that. So if any of you are interested in seeing the catalog, type the word catalog in the comments so that I can send you the link to the catalog. This is the newest catalog, and we also have a separate catalog for the oil. So if you're interested in the oils, put oils in the comments. And we do have a diffuser. We have a car diffuser. We have the diffusing necklaces as well, so that you can are y'all losing me? No. So that you can you know, put the oil on the necklace and you can wear it with you during the day. So make sure y'all go like my Itz Sirap Body and More page, and send me a message if you guys want to get any details about the products. I would love to talk to you about the products. If you are interested in starting your own business with these kind of products, I would love to talk to you about that as well as, you know, all of the other companies that I'm involved with. You might not like these products, but you might, you know, like makeup or jewelry or leggings or something like that. So I would love to talk to you about some opportunities if that's what you're interested in, as well as how you can get some of these amazing products for free. I am having a giveaway for $100 worth of free products from Lovewinx. So if you want to enter that giveaway, type the word giveaway in the comments so I can send you the information about that, okay? Once again, make sure y'all go like Itz Sirap Body and More, okay? Go like that page. I did a long video over there. That's part of the reason why my voice is going out, because I was over there talking for forever. Felt like I was losing my train of thought. I was mixing up words and stuff. So y'all bear with me. It's been a long week already. It's already Wednesday, and it's been a long week, but we're here. So thank y'all for tuning in. Thank y'all for liking the page. I have only been in this company for a little over a month, and y'all have really showed up and been liking the page. So I appreciate y'all for doing that. So today I really wanted to come on and talk to y'all about the products and let y'all know why I chose this company and why I'm excited about it. I love the fact that everything is all natural. Everything is, you know, body safe. You'll be surprised how many body products are not really, you know, body safe. Things that that just don't, you know, make you feel that good. You know what I mean? Different things that have products that could, you know, irritate your skin and different things like that. So that's one of the things that I really love about this company. So thank y'all for tuning in. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Tomorrow is my birthday, so y'all may or may not see me with it already being Wednesday, and as tired and worn out as I am, I might just disappear for tomorrow and I'll come back on Friday. So, yeah, some of y'all have already been giving me birthday shout outs already. And I'm like, thank y'all, but it's tomorrow. So, y'all have a blessed day, a blessed night. And I'll see you guys on the next video, whenever that may be. So, it's a wrap. Y'all have a good day.